Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Monday and I'm going to be gearing up here to go out on a little job down in the city of Buffalo, spreading some stone out for a buddy of mine. So I'm going to be taking the Hino and the T650 on this truck because the access to the site's pretty tight. It's down in the city, no really room to turn around. So I'm taking one of our hook lift trucks, going to put the 650 in the back of it, and yeah, roll out. What the heck? Start this up. It's been a little while since this thing was started. Alright, for those of you who have never seen what one of these hook lift bodies can do, I'm going to show you. There's my back window, there's my bed, here's my controller. Truck's at park, I just turned my PTO on. This is all dirty, but I know what they do. This joystick here slides the bed forward and backwards, and this one dumps it off. So I'm going to push that back. It takes a minute when it's cold. There it goes. Alright, maxed out on that. Now if you look down there on the left, right underneath where the bed is, you'll see some yellow pieces of metal. Those are my ramps. I'm going to put those on the bed of the truck, and when I go to put the skid steer up, I'm going to drive them up on that, up onto the bed. And I got a set of chains and whatnot, also chains and binders on the toolbox that I'm going to use to secure this thing down. But it's on the ground now, so I have to get my ramps out. Completely on the ground. Nice flat level loading surface to be able to get up. It's only, I don't know, 10 inches off the ground. Got D-hooks in the corners and whatnot, and I'm gonna load her up. All right, let's see how long did that take. 7 minutes. That's pretty good. I had this machine, whew, that's a good amount of work there. I got both chains and binders out. I got the machine out on the truck. Truck's all secure. I got to pull it up on there. We're good to go. So I got one chain, 2 different points of contact pulling down to the corners and across. Another chain up front here, corner and across. 2 binders. I gotta get some WD-40 on those binders. Those things are a little tight. So now we're gonna pull the bed back up. Where am I gonna put you? All right. Oh, drop her in neutral real quick. Down she goes. Boom. Slide her forward. Whoa. And it does this every once in a while when it's all cold. Down the way. Yep. All right. We're all pretty much set to go. The only thing I'm going to do is check because the radio's not working on this thing. I'm going to pull a fuse panel out over there and see what the heck's going on. If it's just a fuse, perfect. If it's more than a fuse, then we got some problems. This truck is way too new to be taking a crap on the radio already. Alright, we'll see what I get back. Well, we got the radio working. Here's the yellow. You can see right through that thing, huh? It's the wrong size, too. I don't know what's going on. It was blown. It's a 10 amp, supposed to be a 20 amp, according to the book. So, it was an easy fix. Totally worth it. And I grabbed a can of WD-40 for those ratchets, because they were pretty sticky. Frozen, sticky, rusty, all that sort of crap. So. Alright, we're rolling out now, heading down to the city. Starting the morning off road with a cup of Timmy's. Can't go wrong. Alright, this is our project for the morning. Right in front of this great building here, we're going to be spreading all the stone out. So I'm going to go and chain this thing down and Alright, so here's the finished product now. Got this all stoned up. He got his equipment back in here. The only problem I had was the existing grades made it pretty tough to get any positive flow out of here. I filled the back up nice. The back used to dive off, but I think flow coming away from here is going to be a problem because everything's, you know, flat. I can't really get a positive pitch anywhere. I mean, this is what kind of what it looked like. It wasn't great. So I think this is going to be definitely less muddy, but might hold some water. But the whole idea was less mud. So packing it up. Got the machine all loaded up, chain down, beds up. We're getting out of here. Heading home. Out of the city. Alright. Back at the shop now. Thank God, it was quite the day we had. So, time to unload this thing now, and what was I gonna say? Time to unload it, pack everything away for the day, and get some stuff prepped for tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. It's 2 o'clock now. I don't know. But yeah, that's it. So if you like the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, free button like I've said before, costs you nothing, lets me know you like what I'm putting out. So, alright, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video coming up, maybe this week. We'll see what's going on. So, alright, see you in the next one.